Haven't been up there yet. Guessing it's the lid switch. We'll see. So there's no air codes. Stops mid-cycle. Let's just try a quick spin. See if the lid lock's working right. Or if it's just misfiring, which is possible. Lid lock's trying to engage, but it's not. It's locked, but the washer doesn't think it's locked. I'm just gonna turn this off. You can see it's broke. You can see it's broken right here. Plastic piece is missing. Try now. Lid lock lights on. Oh, that sounds a little rough. That belt looks a little loose. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this. It is working now. I'm gonna put this back on and run a test cycle while I do another call. Let's see, let's just do a medium. Should take like an hour or so, and I'll return to see if the cycle completed. I'm gonna try and get this with the plunger, but experience has shown this unit's probably gonna need snaked, but we'll see if I can get lucky. just a little bit of preventative. That cable definitely went through a grease clog, and there's been issues with that unit not too long ago with it backing up and flooding the apartment, that one and the one downstairs. So hopefully that can prevent a flood. So I need to block this drain, and I can do that by shoving this ride down here. Shove this ride in this hole, and then plunge. Now this one's clear. Let's make sure this one's clear too. It's better, but it's not great. Now, both of these are on the connect to one drain, and it's clogged after that. I very rarely do this, but I'm gonna put some drain cleaner down here because it's very hard to snake. Even if you've got the tip that drops, it's hard to make this, and this stuff is pretty cheap and it works amazing. The trick is to get the pipes hot, and it doesn't take much. Water's already hot. And I just want to push this down the drain. Much better. So first thing I always check when I see work orders like this is if the toilet's loose, and this one isn't. But I'm gonna swap out the wax ring anyways because this fixes the problem 95% of the time. So that's what we're gonna do. Just cut me a piece of cardboard, something to set the toilet tank on. This is not a freaking washer. Oh, it's just hand tight. Never made a good seal. gotta flip this over and get the old wax ring off. They're washers. This is what they are for. To hold the bolt in place. That's what they're for. The top off.
Yeah, you know.
So if that's the smell, then this should take care of it.
It just takes a little while to just seep it in, right?
Yeah, because I had that fan running, but it was with the toilet off. It was just pulling it.
Yeah. I don't know if you got the work order for. I need a new filter for the fridge. Did you see that too, or no?
No, I can check it out though.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it was coming up.
Is the water tasting funny or? There we go. Nice and sturdy. Flush and check for leaks. Looking good. Damn fridge filter work orders. Yep, looks good. Back at the first call we did today. No lights on. So it looks like the cycle completed. Gonna call this one good and close it out. I mean, it's shaking a little bit. Definitely not slipping. Clutch seems good, or else that would be super hot. The only thing I see wrong is we've got a towel, 2 towels, another towel, and then kind of nothing over here. Let's just see how it... Make sure the drain pump's working. Yeah, this clutch is fine. This just needs to be a little more even. These are as dry as they're gonna get. I don't know what else they want. Closing this ticket out. This thing's working fine. That's going to do it for me today. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and knocking out a couple of work orders. Until the next vlog, I'm Dave, the Apartment Maintenance Pro. I hope to see you there.